Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable messages notifications from someone on Facebook Messenger. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Messenger application. Once inside, you'll be on the main screen, which displays your chats menu. This is where all your conversations will appear. Step 2. Now, locate the contact to disable messages from someone for. Tap on them. Step 3. Next, locate the profile photo and tap on it. Step 4. Now scroll down to locate the notification sounds option and tap on it. Unfortunately, this messages option is now turned on. Step 5. For the last and most important step, select the messages option, then choose the Until I Change It option, and select the OK option to disable messages notifications from someone instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.